The respondents were supposed to file the affidavit, which has still not been filed till today. The state respondents.
May it please Your Lordship, I am appearing on behalf of the state respondents number 2, 3, 5, and 8. Your Lordship, we have received instructions. However, we will have to examine and study the instruction that was given to us. Therefore, Your Lordship, if this matter may be kindly fixed on the 2nd of April, on the 1st of April, Your Lordship.
1st of April.
Okay.
Okay.
1st of April is Wednesday, Your Lordship.
Ms. Lalunvi, you've said that you've already received the instructions.
Your Lordship, we have received it. We have received it only a few days back, Your Lordship.
Okay. Under process. Mr. R. Malhotra, Lion Standing Counsel, Guwahati High Court, for the petitioner. Miss,
Lal Nunlu, Your Lordship.
okay. Learned government advocate.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Okay. Submits that she has received an instruction to file affidavit in opposition. And she has received an instruction. However, she need to go through the same and file affidavit in opposition,
Yes, Your Lordship.
for which she require how much time you said?
Your Lordship, if this matter may be fixed on the 2nd of April.
Okay, some time. And
Your
please accordingly.
Lordship, 1st of April, Wednesday.
First
1st April. Yes, Your Lordship.
Okay. Who else is appearing?
Sankui.
Appearing for Union of India, respondent number 6 and 7.
And you?
My
are
lord, this PIL has been initiated based on the affidavit filed by
Yes,
Union
yes.
of India before Supreme Court. It may
Yes.
not be necessary to file
Okay,
affidavit from our
okay.
side.
For the respondent number
6 and 7.
6 and 7. And who else? That's all. In view of the above, and as prayed for by the Lara Council for the respondent, state respondent, list this matter on 1st of
1st April, yes, Your
April. 1st April is Wednesday. Okay, 1st April. The state respondent shall ensure filing affidavit before the next date and serve a copy to the Land Council for the petitioner. Okay, this is according on 1st. Okay.
Item number 2.
Lordship, in the matter, I am appearing for respondent number 12, that's the contractor in the matter. In compliance of the last order, I have filed my affidavit
Okay.
showing the significant progress of the work.
They have given yes. Justice Michael is coming on 30th. So he will be there on 28th. He's on 28th. So,
You can have it. You can be on 25th. Today is the 11th, no?
no, so
Today is
what
11th.
we'll do is he will come on 30.
On 20th.
20. Okay, then interest, no problem, no problem. Okay.
Can I just ask?
Yes, yes.
My lords, we are yet to file our affidavit.
Miss Emily, an additional affidavit has been filed by the
Respondent number 12.
contractor, right?
Yes, my lord.
He's a respondent number?
12.
12,
Number
12.
12. Now, in that additional affidavit, I don't know, you may have read it.
My
but
lord, I
it doesn't
received
talk
it just
about-
yesterday
Oh, you have
evening.
not looked into. Who is appearing for the
But I have
respondent
not.
12?
Lordship, I am appearing through VC for the respondent number 12.
So where have you stated, what have you done to increase the manpower and about the seriousness of finishing the work by April 26 as observed on the last order? Where are those averments in your additional affidavit? Because
Lordship,
what we find from the additional affidavit is that there are only excuses. You are talking about that the matter is going to get delayed because of the war and the strike. These look.
No, Lordship,
this
kindly see para
all
6.
looks
Kindly
like
see para 6
excuses
of the
to us.
affidavit. Lordship, kindly see para 6 of the affidavit where I have shown and given the comparison what was my earlier progress of the work, what's now progress of the work.
Paragraph?
Paragraph 6 of the affidavit, Lordship. It's at page 4.
You got it?
Yes.
Yes. Miss Emily, which is the last order? What is the date of that last order?
4th of February, Lordship.
4th of February 2026.
So after 4th April, what have you done? Where is that averment? What steps have you taken after 4th April?
Lordship, we are continuously executing the work and therefore, Lordship,
Have
kindly
you
see the...
understood the question of the bench or not?
Yes, Lordship. Yes, Lordship. But kindly see the Lordship because once we are undertaking the works, thereafter it comes to the physical progress. So I would request Lordship to kindly see my earlier progress as on the 15th of the January and the progress as on the 6th of the March.
So, have you visited the spot you were supposed to visit?
Yes, my lord. As per the last order, we have visited the spot.
Okay.
And the roads are still in dilapidated conditions.
Okay,
I
you are
would
filing
like to
affidavit.
further state that, my lord, it's Juming season right now, and
Correct.
the rains are
Okay.
going to come
And in
in a
fact,
short time.
I think the work was supposed to be completed by April 26, isn't it?
Yes, my
This is
lord.
what the order of this court says.
Yes, my lord.
But the affidavit that has been filed, the additional affidavit, does not show that you will be able to complete it by April 2026.
Lordship, we are trying our all the best because Lordship, as per the contract provision, I am supposed to complete it by the 7th of July. It's my all endeavor that before the timeline I will finish the work. Lordship, kindly see as per your query that what the efforts we have taken, we have increased the manpower, we have increased the resources. This may be verified from the NHIDCL, Lordship. Kindly see para 9,
Paragraph 9.
paragraph 9, it's page 6.
See, this is what I am asking you, he does not say, but if you see, this is what he will report to do. We find as much as investigation, we find additional showing the progress of the work and also request the increased number of manpower deployed in pursuance of the elements of source. We expect to also considering so that exactly where the areas have been at present, but have they increased the labors?
Some increase appears to have shown, but they're not actually to the extent as it is required.
That's why.
Okay, so, since
Lordship, one more.
okay.
Lordship, one more thing. In para 7, Lordship, what the work I have completed, I have given the total, what was the quantity to be executed by me and what I have executed. So I am giving all the details, Lordship, here. Because,
Mr. Kumar, that is all right. But you see this, the road, the construction which is going on is one of the lifeline to Aizawl, correct?
Yes, sir.
Now, with
Yes,
that seriousness, this court had, on the last occasion in paragraph 7, give a detailed order what you were required to do.
the fact that you were required to increase your manpower, increase the time of the work, all that we do not find that you have satisfactorily answered in your additional affidavit. So you look into all that aspect, because we all are asking that the road should be completed before the monsoon, because once the monsoon starts, there will be further delay.
Yes. You'll not be able to work from May, June, July. You'll
Lordship,
not
we
be
are
able to work. And then
all
July
the
is the last set.
preparation
But then,
works.
target was set.
Whenever they, yes, Lordship, please.
You have no option but to increase the labor force and the machinery, sir.
Lordship, the labor force has already been increased, machinery has already
That is
been
not
increased.
sufficient in order to complete this before the monsoon.
Lordship, why there was delay?
Have you
Because
seen
in my
that?
early-
And then
Why
in
there
the-
was delay? In my earlier affidavits, I have stated all those facts. And Lordship, I'm not repeating those for the sake of brevity. Only I'm stating that what was my previous progress and what is my current progress. So my current progress may be measured.
Mr.
I have
Kumar,
already
if you are
increased.
not answering to the exact question that is put by the bench, then we are afraid we'll have to ask the concerned person to be personally present on the next date of listing.
Lordship, with regard to increase of the manpower, this fact may be verified from the NHIDCL that whether my manpower and machineries are sufficient there or not.
Mr.
Anil Kumar.
Land Council for the. Okay. Just a minute. Ask Miss Emily L. Chang, the Land Council for the petitioner. Also have Miss Land Council for the
Respondent number 1 to 5.
1 to 5 and
Your Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of my senior, Mr. Samuel.
appearing on behalf of the senior
Representing
for respondent
respondent
number
7 to 10.
7 to 10
NHIDC. And Anil Kumar.
and Mr.
Lordship, I'm for respondent number 11.
Hmm?
I'm for respondent number 11.
11, okay, for respondent number 11.
Madam,
And-
for respondent number 6.
Respondent number 6, okay. Who is for 6?
Sangpui.
Sangpui for the respondent number 6. And Mr.
Anil Kumar. for
Anil Kumar for,
R12.
for respondent number 12. Okay. The respondent number 12, in compliance of the observation made by this court on 4th 2/26. The respondent number 12 has filed additional affidavit showing some physical progress of work with some increase in percentage of the over the work over the period of 2 months, almost 2 months, for a period of about 2 months. Stop. Where it is further stated that the respondent number 12 has mobilized the manpower and construction machinery at both the project sites. Substantially more with regard to the contractual provisions. Stop. It is submitted that the effort are being made by the respondent number 12 to accelerate the execution of the work and committed to complete the project, complete the work at the earliest date. Stop. However, Ms. Emily, Planning Council, for the petitioner, submits that although she has visited the spot, visited the site and made a spot verification, but she required some time to file. See, this is status report of affidavit.
Additional affidavit, I will require time, my lord,
It is
but
still
otherwise
and-
the road is not in a
okay.
good condition right
So
now.
verification and found that the road construction is, road is still in the dilapidated condition. And she will be filing a status report.
Yes, my lord, and I would like to submit that the Juming season is on, and
Okay.
in a short time the rain will
dilapidated,
come
condition.
and the
And
whole road will be
if the
demolished
same-
again.
If the same, if it remains the same without any further construction, the same way it will.
Affected because of the
Uh,
ongoing June cultivation and the onset of monsoon.
It will worsen, huh? With the onset of the monsoon. Stop, huh? Okay, stop. And she further submits that she will be filing the status report,
In a week's time, my lord.
for which she require a week time. Stop, huh? Para. Considering the target set to be complete within the month of April, and also that the monsoon is and the onset of the monsoon and approaching the onset of the monsoon, this court is totally not satisfied. We are not satisfied with the performance of the respondent number 12. And if this continues, this the okay, in view of the above, the respondent number 12
Is also rejected.
in view of the above, unless the labor force and the machinery is increased, making the present strength double with the onset of the monsoon, it will not the road condition will worsen. Therefore, we direct the respondent number 12 to increase the labor force and the machineries, and so the effort made in this regard by filing affidavit by next week. Okay.
Failing
Okay.
which
Failing which failing which the concerned officer may have to be
shall be personally present on the next.
personally present on the next date. Stop. Huh? Okay. So this matter again on 25th.
Lordship, may I submit one thing? May I
Okay.
submit one thing?
Yes.
Lordship, because we are maintaining the work, so there are other
See,
issues.
the target was set to complete.
No, I'm not on
the
that
work
aspect,
of-
Lord. I'm on something different. Okay, since we are maintaining the work, there are other EPC contractors also whose overloaded vehicles are going with the soil. So
Mr.
sometimes
Kumar,
this soil.
these are only excuses. We've read your additional affidavit. We have seen the excuses that you have given, which according to you is hampering your progress. We've already read it.
See, during 60 days, on total 60 days, he has improved, just minimal only. Okay, anyway, next.
Obliged.
No,
Item number 3.
May it please, Your Lordship.
Yes,
Lordship,
please,
I have
yes.
filed this writ appeal challenging the order of the learned single judge, whereby the order of a magistrate in Chennai was stayed.
My lords,
Lordship,
my lords,
if
One
your Lordship
second,
may-
Mr. Deka, just 1 second. Yes,
my lords,
Mr.
in this
Joseph?
matter, I was contacted by the respondent number 1, my lord. My lords, so let me take instructions from him. Let me get the pleadings also from him, my lords. He's from Colosseum, so he got in touch with me. And so then by the next DB, my lord, we will be able to dispose of this matter, I think.
You for respondent number?
I am for the respondent number 1, my lord, the writ petitioner.
Okay, read petitioner.
So now he's the respondent number 1, yes.
You have an instruction. What instruction you have?
So, my lord, I received a call from him in the morning to represent him, my lord. So I am newly engaged.
Okay, okay.
Newly engaged.
You are
so that,
appearing
my
for the
lord,
first time.
For the first time,
Okay.
let me take the pleadings and everything from him, my lords, and then after that we can dispose of this matter also.
Okay. Otherwise, this can also be open to this. Okay, then this. Okay.
My lord, then a date may be fixed, Lordship, on 25th if possible, Lordship.
Okay.
Mr. Joseph, 25th?
Yes, no objections, my lord.
Okay. Mr.
P. Deka, Lordship.
P. P. Deka, Learned Advocate, Learned Counsel for the appellant is present. And who else is there? Other one?
My lord, I'm for 2 and 3, Lordship.
Okay,
Even I have
Mr.
the instruction to appear. I will file my wakalatnama by tomorrow.
M. Smith?
Yes.
Oh,
Yes.
for Learned Counsel. Learned Counsel for the respondent number 2. 2 and
2
3?
and 3, madam.
2 and
2
3.
and 3, madam.
Okay, Mr.
Joseph, my lord.
Joseph. Learned Counsel put appear on behalf of the respondent number 1. And your prayer is to file?
My lord, let me take concrete instructions from him, my lord. Because I'm appearing for the first time. I have also instructions to appear, my lord. This is the
Okay, and some is. And prays for some time to receive instruction. So not filing anything? Okay. Have you filed your wakalatnama?
My lord, we will be filing
Okay,
it.
and prays for some time to file wakalatnama and to obtain instruction from his client.
Mr. Smith,
To
have you
respond.
filed your power?
But I'll be filing by tomorrow, my lord. I have also the
Okay.
instruction.
Then Mr.
By this week, madam.
Mr. Smith. Smith, Learned Counsel appearing on behalf of the
2 and
respondent
3,
number 2 and 3, also made a similar prayer. Okay, in view of the above, and as prayed for by the Learned Counsel for the parties. List this matter again on
25th, Lordship.
25th. 25th. Okay.
Deeply obliged, my lord.
Highly obliged.
Highly.
Highly obliged.
For orders, item number 4.
My lord,
May,
in terms of the order date 18/2/2026, the AMC filed the affidavit on 9/3/26.
may it please your worship, this is a miscellaneous application, praying the Honorable Division Bench to allow the applicant to continue construction of his building as per the building permit granted to him by the AMC, the present respondent number A. And accordingly, in fact, Your Worship, if Your Lordship will see the affidavit filed by the AMC on 9th of March and Annexure 1, Annexure 2, if I may, Your Worship, to Annexure 2, page 6 of the affidavit filed on 9th of March. Joint inspection report. If I may read.
Yes.
In compliance with the directions of the Honorable High Court, in case number PIL So Moto 2 of 2024, dated 22nd October 2025, a joint site inspection was conducted on 6th of February 2026 at 11 a.m. at the concerned site to assess compliance with the court's order regarding construction activities. Inspection team. The joint inspection team consisted of 1 official from the police department, 2 officials from AMC, and 3 members from Intact. Attendance sheet is enclosed. Key findings. Compliance with court order. Mr. K.C. Lal Omoya Chaltlang Beng and Dr. J. Laram Swanga Ramlun North. He is the present applicant, Your Worship, who had obtained prior permission from AMC but had not completed construction up to 1 floor, were found to have fully complied with the court's order by stopping all construction activities. Their compliance is supported by Annexure 3 and 4. And subclause B talks about violation of court order by the other persons with whom we are not concerned. If I may take a lordship to the next page, page 7, conclusion. The joint site inspection established that 2 individuals have adhered to the directions of the Honorable Court by halting construction activities. 6 individuals have willfully violated the court's order by initiating new construction activities despite the restrictions imposed. Recommendation. In view of the above finding, Mr. K.C. Lal Omoya, Chaltlang Beng, and Dr. J. Laram Swanga Ramdun North may be permitted to continue construction subject to compliance with applicable laws and regulations. Number 2, the cases of the 6 violators may be placed before the Honorable Court for appropriate action, including determination of penalties as deemed fit. So my humble submission at this stage, Your Worship, is that the instant applicant, as per the verification report, has complied with the directions of this Honorable Court, and even the respondents, AMC, have recommended that he may be allowed to continue construction of his building as per the permit given to him by the AMC, subject to compliance with applicable laws and regulations. So, Your Worship, the background of the case is that I had applied for building construction to AMC, and I was given permission to construct a building consisting of G plus 7 floors. I had started construction, but just after I had started construction, there was a stay order by this Honorable Court in 2024 to stop all construction. Thereafter, I had complied with the directions of the court and had stopped all construction. And then I had submitted this application asking for permission to continue with the construction of my building as per the permit given to me.
Stay is up to construction up to which?
It's a blanket stay. Yes.
Blanket stay.
Yes.
If the construction is not completed the first floor.
Yes.
Okay. And then in this case?
Pardon you?
In this case?
Yes.
In the case of these 2 persons.
Because the construction was not up to the first floor,
okay,
we had complied with the direction of this court, and we had submitted this application last year since monsoon was going to come, and this application was submitted in May last year. And we had requested that we may be allowed to continue construction before monsoon onset because it was dangerous for our neighbors. And the Honorable High Court had directed for a joint spot verification. On the first occasion also, it was recommended that I should be allowed to continue my construction. Now again, a second joint spot verification was conducted as per the directions of this Honorable Court on 6th of February.
So, see,
Your Lordship,
the municipal,
KMC,
sorry, KMC,
Aizawl Municipal,
KMC, KMC.
AMC, Aizawl Municipal.
They are also not expert again. They are also not expert.
They are the experts, Your Lordship. They have all the engineers, they have all the
Okay.
engineers and geologists.
Engineers is certified, expert
Yes.
has certified that
Yes,
they
sir.
can
Mr.
continue.
Joseph, you are appearing for whom?
My lords, I'm appearing for, I'm the amicus in this case. I appear for the petition as the intact, my lord.
What do you have to say?
Now, my lord, I have only received the affidavit. So let
Okay.
me take some concrete instructions from intact.
Okay,
Uh,
that can be.
Yes.
Okay, so,
Your Lordship, in that case, my humble submission is, it may be kindly listed next week because the affidavit is already here. They were a part of the inspection team
okay,
coming Wednesday. Your
My
Lordship.
lords, let it come up next week. If we have to file an affidavit, my lord, we will file it and then we can see if it's possible to take up the matter next week.
okay.
But my lord, at least 1 week will be required because.
Your Lordship,
this-
my
this-
learned friend is trying to delay the matter. now.
Let him have a look at
My
it.
lords, my lords,
Let it be
my
fixed
lords,
next week.
the
I mean,
sky,
Okay.
one
my
whole
lords, the
week.
sky will not fall, my
No,
lord.
no, the sky is falling. Rains are coming any day.
Sorry,
let-
Mr. Joseph, you are an amicus in the matter.
I'm Micah in this.
And the sky is falling. Rains are coming any day now.
Heard Mr. Malhotra, Land Council for the applicant staff. Mr. Joseph L. Rantley, Land Council, appearing amicus for the for respondent number 1.
Yes.
Respondent number
In,
one.
in,
I
in,
missed
in
that.
the
You had just
application.
received.
In the application.
The just received the affidavit in opposition filed by the AMC respondent number 8 and needs some time to go through the same and to respond. Stop. Huh? So who else is appearing here?
My lord, I'm appearing on behalf of the respondent number 8.
Okay,
AMC.
then record the presence of all. Huh? Mr.
Zoram Sana.
Okay. Appear on behalf of the respondent number 8 and Miss,
My lord, I'm appearing for the state respondents.
okay, Linda for state respondent on behalf of the state respondent. Huh? And Miss Ruth Lilrat Fairley for respondent number 10 and 11. And Mr. LH Mangejwali for the respondent number 25.
Representing respondent number 25.
Okay, 25, huh? Stop. In view of the above, and as prayed for by the Land Council for the respondent, this matter. Next
18th,
week.
Your Lordship.
Okay, next week.
18th.
18, okay. This is matter again on 18. Okay.
Obliged, my lord.
Obliged, my lord.
Item number 6.
Your Lordship, I have, in compliance of this Honorable Court order dated 19/1/2026, I have taken steps upon the respondents. I believe my learned friend is going to represent the private respondents.
Okay.
My lord, there are 34 respondents who are the writ petitioners in the writ petition, my lord.
Okay.
Some
You are
of them have-
representing all the respondents.
Some of them have now received the notice, and I have been approached by some of them, not
Okay.
all of them now. And I have received instruction from some of the writ petitioners, my lord. And I'll be filing my power, and I may be given at least a week time.
Okay.
And
Are you opposing the condonation?
yes, my lord.
Serious objection.
Serious objection, my lord, because
553.
in this case, my lord, in this case, my lord, there is a common judgment disposing to writ petitions. And the other side of the writ petition judgment was already complied with. But this part has been appealed. And my lord, at this stage, my lord, I would like to point out one.
Okay.
I would like to point out one document, my lord, which is at page number 107 of the IA,
Okay.
running page number 107.
What is that?
This is in Mizo vernacular, my lord. This may have to be translated in English. this page number 107,
Needs
this
to be
document
translated.
enclosed by in the IA is in Mizo vernacular.
Okay,
Your Lordship, I'll make the translation today itself
okay,
and have it appended.
okay.
I may be given a week's time to file my power on behalf of the respondents with petitions.
Miss Mary, Land Council for the applicant is present. Mr. Victor, Land Council would appear on behalf of the respondent number.
All the
Okay. All the-
respondents.
For the respondents, all the respondents. And some instead he will be filing his wakalatnama today, or shortly. Huh?
Within 1 week, my lord.
Okay.
And I may be granted
And
2 weeks' time for filing my objections.
Okay, and also praise for 2 weeks' time to file objection. Stop. Huh? The prayer is allowed. This matter after 2 weeks. Stop. In the meantime, Miss Mary said file the translated copy of page which page?
107, 107.
Of the annex. This is annexure.
It's a part of Annexure 13,
Okay. Annexure.
1-3.
Uh,
Enclosure of Annexure 13.
Annex, the enclosure of annexure 1K at page 107. Okay. Well, during the course of the day, you said.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Okay. This matter after 2 weeks. Okay.
Keep your place.
Item number 7.
Hearing the not.
There is some additional affidavit filed, right?
Mhm.
Affidavit is not.
May it please your lordship, I am appearing on behalf of the state respondents. Your lordship, I had been instructed to seek instructions on 2 regards, that is the inspection of a vehicle garage availability, and then to ensure that the vehicle in each locality have garages, and if not, then a fine has to be imposed. And then this, and as a pilot project, a certain localities were checking inspection was to be conducted by the AMC, as well Municipal Corporation, SP Traffic, and also Transport Department regarding the availability of vehicle garages. That has been done, Your Lordship. However, the report is awaited. And as to the second query, which is regarding the parking house support scheme, information has already been received. And if this matter may be listed again on the 25th, Your Lordship, 25th March, I will be able to file the affidavit by that time, Your Lordship.
25th.
Yes, Your Lordship. As per the last order, I'll be able to file the affidavit.
On behalf of the urban development.
Yes, Your Lordship. On behalf of the UDNPA and also on behalf of the Transport Department and also SP Traffic. State respondents, Your Lordship.
How much time you want, Ms. London Louis?
Your Lordship, that will be fairly 1 week if the matter is fixed on the 25th of March.
Okay,
2
Miss
weeks.
London Louis, Land Government Advocate, prays for further time to file affidavit in terms of the direction given by this court on 21/2026 and 22/1/2026. Start. Huh? So this verification is a continuous exercise. It has to
Yes.
be continued. Okay. The prayer is allowed. However, the respondent shall ensure that the verification by the concerned department should be a continuous exercise. Stop. Huh? A is prayed for. List is matter on
25th March, Your Lordship.
25th March. Okay. Then you are for the petitioner.
I'm for the petition. I'm
Okay,
the amicus.
Okay. His presence may also be required and recorded, huh? Mr.
Joseph.
R11.
And Mr. Okay, Malhotra for respondent number 11, huh? Okay,
You are also there.
you're also, Mr.
Valal Tranpuya for the
respondent
respondent number 10.
10, okay.
Yes, my lord.
Okay, this is on 25th, okay.
Obliged, my lord.
Yes, I think it can be released.
At least a matter on 25th. Then in order. In the order column, okay.
I seek your lordship indulgence in mentioning unlisted item, my lord. Last Monday, I have filed one review petition, my lord, and which has not been yet listed till date. So I'm seeking for listing of this matter tomorrow.
Not tomorrow, Monday.
My lord, I'll be out of station during next week. I'll be out of station during next week, so I'm seeking
No, tomorrow.
short accommodation.
Tomorrow it will be difficult.
Court number 2, if this court is not available, my lord, court number 2, it may be late before court
Okay.
number 2.
Code number 2.
Yes, my lord.
Okay.
Deeply obliged.
Promotion item number 1.
My lord, in this case, our basic grievance, my lord, is that the respondent number 5 my lord, our basic grievance in this case, my lord,
Yes.
my lord, our basic grievance in this case is that the respondent number 5 has made a construction over certain portions of land which have been used by us for going into our lands, my lord. My lord, if your lordship will see page number 26.
Page?
Page number 26. My
Yes,
lord,
what is
my
this?
lord, page number 26 is a map of our land and the land of the respondent number 6. If your lordship will see,
Respondent number 6 or 5?
sorry, my respondent number 5. Now, if your lordship will see this road, your lordship will see metal road. My lord has seen it. My lord, there is something there in the map. Your lordship will see metal road, and beside the metal road there is a step that goes down. This is a public step.
Okay. Existing step.
Existing step, and your lordship will see there is something written RCC. Your lordship has seen RCC.
In the, yes, the
RCC beside the metal road. That is the petitioner's house.
Okay.
And on the side, your lordship will see number 2 and number 3.
Yes.
Those are the lands of the petitioner. Now the existing
No, RCC is
also the land of the petitioner.
Okay.
2 and 3 are also the lands of the petitioner, my lord.
okay, okay.
And this existing step, your lordship has seen, it goes down to the land of the respondent number 5.
It's Jackson's.
Yes, it's basically a joint step. It's a step that has been commonly used by the petitioner and also Mr. Jackson. Now, if your lordship will come to page number 42.
Page?
Number 42. Now, page number 42 is a photograph of a construction done by Mr. Jackson over this existing step, my lord. My lord has seen it.
This is over the existing.
Over the existing step. Now he has constructed pillars, and he has constructed in such a way, my lord, it has become almost impossible for the petitioner, my lord, to approach our lands, the other 2 plots I had mentioned. In fact, this is not even Mr. Jackson's land, it is outside his land.
No, this, okay. The present construction by respondent number 5 is over the existing steps.
Over the existing step.
It is metal or what?
It is concrete.
Concrete?
Yes. He has put pillars on both sides. It's like a flyover he has constructed over
Yes,
these
yes.
steps. And now
And
these steps have become redundant.
And from what about the height? What is the height?
The height is around 6 feet, 5-6 feet, my lord.
But still the people can walk.
You people can walk, but my lord, the lands of the petitioners are now, my lord, below. Because the road is so high, so now it is impossible for us, almost impossible for the petitioner to approach the lands, her house. I mean her lands.
No, the existing steps will not be utilized now.
Existing steps are impossible to utilize.
No, you said that it's 6 feet high.
No, this is the new construction. The new construction, the flyover structure, my lord, is around 6 feet high.
New construction government sponsored?
No, 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 no. It
Private.
was individually built by the respondent number 5.
Okay, it's for him only,
It's for him only.
but then your land can be accessed by the existing step?
Now access to our lands have become impossible, my lord, because of this new. The existing steps, my lord, because if your lordship will see the beginning of this new flyover, if your lordship will see the bottom, the latest photograph, the bottom photograph, the approach to the existing steps have been covered by this flyover.
Whose lane is this? The pillar which comes up?
That's the respondent number 5 has built these pillars, my lord.
Okay, and then the pillars stands in which lane?
The pillars stands in the land, in the public step.
Okay.
These public steps were initially the land of the petitioner. She has allowed him to have access to these steps.
Who else apart from the petitioners use these existing steps?
My lord, there is one other person.
Okay.
They are not before this court.
Now what is your...
Now what happened was,
Grievance.
because of this construction, my lord, the petitioner had made
Already completed, it appears?
even if it's completed, my lord, if it's illegally constructed. My lord, if your lordship will see page number 43A, this is the English translation. It's not exactly completed. This is page number 43A. This is, she had filed a complaint before the AMC. This is a letter dated 30th January 2025. My lord, this is the English translation. Let me read, my lord. As per the Mizoram Municipalities Act 2007, as amended in 2015, Section 130 and 133, you are ordered to stop the house you constructed without permission in Luang Wal Veng immediately and to apply for house construction permit with the present house being constructed and with detailed documents through online within 15 days from the issuance of this letter. The list of registered architect, engineer, engineer structure so-and-so under AMC is available at AMC website, which can also be obtained from AMC office during office hours. In addition, you are also ordered to install pillar set each corner of your land by the approval of the revenue department and bring a revenue order confirming where the steps to be descended. If failing what needed to be done by you in compliance with the requirement of the law, action can be taken under Mizoram Municipalities Act 2007, Section 137, 374 and 386.
This was way back in 30 January 25.
30 January 20.
What happened thereafter?
After that, my lord, let me tell your lordship. After that, we approached the revenue department because of the direction given to us by the AMC. The reason why, my lord, let me explain this. My lord, the reason why the AMC has asked us to approach the revenue department, my lord.
Approach them?
Yes, the reason why, my lord, the AMC asked us to approach the revenue department, my lord, is because of this. The AMC does not deal with boundary disputes, my lord. Revenue deals with the boundary dispute.
Okay.
Now, the revenue has to clear if this is a boundary dispute first. If it is not a boundary dispute, then the AMC will take the action. And that is why we have been asked to erect the pillars also. And the AMC has...
You have been asked to erect pillar?
With the coordination of the AMC. The revenue department.
Pillar where?
Boundary pillars, my lord.
Okay.
Boundary pillars.
Okay, but this is not a boundary dispute?
And the revenue came up with the order, my lord, saying that this is not a boundary dispute.
Yes.
And the revenue has confirmed that this is not a boundary dispute. And so we have gone back to the AMC.
Okay.
Now the question before the AMC, my lord, this is the only question that the AMC has to decide, and this court also has to decide, my lord, is that this construction, whether this construction has been done in accordance with the Mizoram Municipalities Act and the Building Regulations Act, my lord. I have provided the Municipalities Act and the Building Regulation Act here, my lord. Only that, my lord. And if it is not done in accordance with that, law has to take its own course in accordance with those two acts. My lord, we are not aggrieved if it is done in accordance with the act. We are only aggrieved if it is not done in accordance with the act, my lord. And if your lordship will see, will examine these acts, my lord. I have provided the acts. If your lordship will see the Mizoram Municipalities Act, I have provided, this is a thicker one, my lord, the Mizoram Municipalities Act 2007. If your lordship will kindly turn to page number 54, my lord. 54 of the internal page.
Yes.
54 says like this, my lord. This is section 128.
128.
Yes.
Yes.
It says like this, my lord. Application to construct or reconstruct building. If any person intends to construct or reconstruct a building, he shall send to the municipality 1. An application in writing for the approval of the site, together with a site plan of the land, and B. An application in writing for permission to execute the work, together with a ground plan, elevations and sections of the building, and specification to the work, provided that the municipality may, on application in writing by the person concerned and on payment of a prescribed fee, get such plan prepared within a reasonable period. Explanation, my lord. Building in this section shall include, my lord, when the word include is used, the Supreme Court has specifically pointed out, my lord, that it has to be an inclusive definition. My lord, it's not an exclusive definition. Building in this subsection shall include a hut, a wall foundation, plinth, or fence of whatever height, bounding or abutting on any public road. 2. Every document furnished under subsection 1 shall contain the following particulars and such other particulars as may be required under the rules or regulations made under this act. 1. A copy of document showing his right over the land. My lord, the respondent number 5 has to show that that step is in his land. B. A scaled map showing the land in relation to any existing building or road, or in the scale of, or in the case of no such building or road in existence.
Yours covers under which one? Say a wall, foundation, plinth, or fence of what? Which one? In this case?
My lord,
which one will cover?
Let me explain, my lord. If your lordship will see, building in this subsection shall include.
It's
my
not
lord,
a hut.
include means
It's not a wall.
It will include a hut, a wall, foundation. Now, my lord, this is foundation. We are talking about foundation here.
Okay.
He's building that foundation.
The
that
present case falls under foundation.
Foundation, plinth or fence of whatever height, bounding or abutting on any public road.
Okay.
And if your lordship, and now I have already read the permission that has to be acquired, my lord. They have to take the permission. I have already read 128.2. 129 is, my lord, the necessity for prior approval of site. Page number 55, my lord.
Yes.
Page number 130 is prohibition against commencement of work without permission. 131 is, my lord, period within which Chief Executive Officer is to grant or refuse to grant permission to execute work. 132 is reference to Board of Councillors if the Chief Executive Officer delays grant or refusal of approval or permission. And my lord, finally, your lordship will come to 137. I will go straight to 137. 137 says, my lord, demolition or alteration of building work unlawfully commenced, carried on, or completed. So if the thing is carried out unlawfully, my lord, without any permission, it has to be demolished. Now, finally, my lord, let me take your lordship to page number 143 of this. 143, section 171, my lord. Power to make regulations is there. The AMC has the power to make regulations. 171, my lord. Section 371. 371 is the power to make regulations. So the AMC has the...
171.
Yes, 371, my lord. At page
371?
number... Yes, at page number 143. at page number 143, my lord.
143?
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
Yes, my lord, this is the power to make regulations. I will take your lordship through the regulations after this, my lord. I have already provided your lordship with the regulations. And finally, 374 is penalty for breach of rules or regulations. Now, in addition to this act, my lord, in addition to this act, they have also framed, AMC has also framed a regulation. That is the other one I have provided, my lord, is the regulations. I have already I have given your lordship. This is the regulations. So yes. Now, my lord, the regulations have to be read together with this act. And if your lordship will see page number 8 of the regulations, page number 8, my lord.
Yes.
Page number 8, this is subclause 2, subclause 10, my lord. Section 3, subclause 10. It says building. This is from the regulations. It says building means any structure, my lord, any structure constructed for whatever purpose and of whatsoever materials and every part thereof, whether used as human habitation or not, and includes foundations, plinths, walls, floors, roofs, chimney, plumbing, and building services, fixed platforms, veranda, balcony, cornice, or projection part of a building, or anything affixed thereto, or any wall enclosing or intended to enclose any land or space, and signs and outdoor display structures, monuments, memorials, or any contrivance of permanent nature stability built under or over ground. For the purpose of these regulations, buildings are divided into 3 types, namely. So building, my lord, covers everything. It is very, very inclusive definition, my lord, even as per this regulation. And in the case, if your lordship will come to section 5.
In the act.
Of this regulation itself, my lord.
Regulation. Okay.
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
This is at page number 20, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, at page number 20, lordship will see subclause 3, concrete building.
Yes.
In the case of concrete building, the following information shall accompany the application for building permission, my lord. The first is site plan, the second is ownership title, and the third is building plans, and so on and so forth, my lord. Now, my lord, my humble submission at this stage, my lord, is that the respondent number 5, my lord, has built this structure without complying with any of these rules and regulations, my lord. So my humble submission at this stage, my humble prayer, my lord, at this stage is for a notice to be issued to the respondents to show cause if such permissions have been granted to the respondent number 5. My lord, if permission has been granted to the respondent number 5, my lord, we have nothing to say. But as per the AMC letter which we had read previously also, my lord, it appeared that he had not received any permission and he had constructed without permission. So our humble prayer at this stage is, my lord, to show cause, to issue notice to them, to show cause if they have any of these notice, my lord.
So ultimately the conclusion, whatever may be, then the direction would be to the AMC.
AMC, my lord, yes.
To
take steps in accordance with their rules and regulations.
That is the only direction you are seeking?
That's the only direction, my lord.
Can we dispose of in that way then?
If your lordship thinks fit, my lord.
Hard, Mr. Joseph, na?
Yes, my lord.
Lal Chanhima, Ranthli, and a counsel for the petitioner. And yes, can you dispose of that way with the direction to dispose of? See here, you have also filed representation.
We have filed representation to them also, my lord.
Okay.
So, no, my lord, all we are seeking is for the AMC to take steps in accordance with the
the act and rules.
Correct. Act and regulations.
Act and regulations, sorry. Have you received the copy? Okay. Can we dispose of with that direction? Yes. To and then if he is illegally constructing without permission, then they will also take action as per the act and the regulations. Okay.
If
You-
permission has been granted by AMC before, my lord, then we have nothing to say.
My lord, let me first obtain instruction as regard to whether there is any permission given to him or not, because straight away,
No,
if a direction is given.
that is
then-
why the only grievance of the
Yes,
petitioner is that even if they file also, they respond also, but then the direction, what they are seeking is that the AMC should look into the matter and then ensure that the construction is being done as per the act and the regulation only.
Yes,
They will have to ensure that only.
Uh-huh.
So that direction, even after pending for the years together also, if the grievance is only that can be, if there is no objection, we can dispose of with that direction. Okay. Also heard Miss Linda Lanet, additional AG for the state of Mizoram. And Mr.
Zoram Chana,
Yes, Joram Chana,
for respondent number 4.
Land Council appearing on behalf of the respondent number 4. Okay, Linda will represent 1, 2, and 3. Okay. Para.
My lord.
Yes.
The representation submitted by the petitioners have already been answered by the AMC by letter dated 30 January 2025. Vibe letter dated 30 January 2025.
Page?
Page 43, my lord. Wherein the page 43, the English translation is at page 43A. Wherein they have sent a letter directing him to terminate the house construction. And he was directed to apply for a house construction permit. And at this stage, since this matter has come up for the first time, I cannot say for sure that Mr. Jackson, the respondent number 5, has applied to the MC or not. So in that regard, if I may be kindly allowed time to seek instructions, because otherwise, if he had made an application, and whether it has been considered by
No,
the MC or
if
not.
he have made an application also, the
No.
municipal.
No, his application is not included in this writ petition. That is the problem. So whether Mr. Jackson, who is the respondent number 5, has taken any steps in compliance to the letter dated 30 January 2025 issued by the commissioner, AMC, that we have to look into, my lord.
My lord, on 30th January 2025, when the letter was issued, that time Jackson had not yet got any permission, my lord. by
Jackson
that
has
time.
not done anything. So the AMC issued a notice for termination of his house construction, and he was instructed to apply for a construction permit.
No, that is why if he had thereafter,
If
after
he had,
this,
whether
after
any
this,
actions
if
has
he
been
had
taken or not.
applied, and then they will accordingly dispose of, the municipal will dispose of that he has applied and then inform the petitioner.
So would that be based on the presumption? Because
If not,
if
they will
not,
ensure that he applies. If applied, then he will inform that he has applied and accordingly we have also permitted and he has a permission. He will inform, the municipal corporation will inform the petitioner. Okay, the petitioner is the owner of land at Longwell, Aizol, redemarcated in 2024 into plots covered by LSC numbers 278, 279, and 280 of 2024. Start, huh? The respondent number 5. No, the respondent number 5, despite having access through an existing flight of steps, illegally constructed structure illegally constructed a flyover-like structure in the early 2025, thereby obstructing our access stop. The petitioner lodged a complaint before the Aizol Municipal Corporation on 17/1/2025. Start. Upon receipt of the complaint, the in Aizol Municipal Corporation hereinafter AMC, the AMC issued a notice to terminate house construction to the respondent number 5. The said notice dated 30/1/2025 being relevant is reproduced, page 43A, start, para. However, thereafter, due to some jurisdictional issue, the petitioner approached the land revenue and settlement authorities. Stop. But after conducting spot verification on 25/2/2025, the report was submitted on 18/9/2025, indicating that the issue primarily concerned the disputed construction fell within the jurisdiction of AMC, and accordingly, okay, AMC, stop. However, despite this report that the jurisdiction falls under the AMC, no effective action has been taken so far. Being aggrieved, the petitioner filed this writ petition seeking direction to the respondent authority to take necessary action and to ensure that the respondent number 5 is constructing the concrete flyover as per the provisions provided under the Mizoram Municipality Act 2007 and the regulation what it is called, regulation only?
My lord, this is the AMC building regulations.
AMC building regulation.
AMC counts, my lord, AMC building regulations 2012.
Building regulation 2012. The nature of grievance without expressing opinion on merit. Sorry, the grievance of the petitioner is limited. In view of the grievance of the petitioner, which is limited, and the nature of grievance, this court deem it necessary to dispose of the matter without expressing the opinion on merit. With the direction to the respondent authority, that is the respondent number
4. Respondent number 4, my lord.
4, to consider the complaint. Sorry, before that, the complaint is also to be actually. Okay, complaint to consider the complaint of the writ petitioner and to take appropriate action in accordance with law. If authorized construction is, if the construction of the respondent number 5 is found to be unauthorized, an opportunity should be given to the respondent before passing any order. So, such, okay. So before passing any effective order against the said respondent. Okay, stop. Such exercise shall be done within a period of
1 month, my
4 months, my lord.
6 weeks. Will they
6
give
weeks.
6 weeks? Okay.
Yes.
Or 4 weeks?
4 weeks.
1 month?
Yes, 1 month.
My lord, at least 2 months from a receipt of the certified copy of the order.
My lord, before the end of April.
Before the end of April, that
Yes.
means almost 2 months, 6 weeks.
Yes,
We'll say 6 weeks.
Yes.
Within
Because
a
AMC is
period
also
of
in ISO.
6 weeks from the date of receipt of
This order,
the
yes.
certified copy of this order.
Yes. And my lord, the LSC of the petitioner, your lordship had mentioned in the beginning, 278 and 280 of 2024, my lord.
278 and
280 of 2024.
complaint.
No,
What?
the LSC number, my lord.
Okay,
the land.
LSC number.
Yes, yes. 278 and 280 of 2014 or 24.
278,
and 280 of 2024.
not 279.
279, my lord, we have enclosed here also. It has been sold to that, I had mentioned that
Okay,
one other
then, and
person.
then LSC number 278 and 280 of 2024.
Yes, my lord.
Okay. With the above this writ petition stands disposed of.
Obliged, my lord.
Obliged, my lord.
Item number 2.
May I please, Your Lordship, this
Yes.
is regarding the section 74 of CGST Act of 2017, Lordship. The respondent has imposed penalty under section 74(1) of CGST Act 2017 in spite of paying all the tax with effect from the August 2017 to March 2021. March 2020, Lordship. So, Lordship, the action and the imposition of penalty, Lordship, it is a severe punishment for the petitioner, as he has already cleared up all the taxes.
Is it for a period of 2000?
Up to 2020, Lordship.
20.
2021 March.
Where is the impugn order?
Impugn order is, Lordship. Impugn order. Huh? Annexure 15, Lordship. Page 76 to 86, Lordship. The relevant, Lordship, the relevant paragraph is 83, page 83, Lordship. That is order that failed to furnish the details of the outward supply in violation of section 73.
Which one? Page 83.
Page 83. Order. Order is, Lordship, page 85. Order, that para 3, Lordship. May I go through it?
Yes.
I confirm the charge frames against the noticee, that is the owner of Reverend Zaitama Building, Zarkot, Aizol, Mizoram, White, demand cum so cause notice issued under proviso section 74 of CGST Act 2017. I confirm demand of GST to the tune of rupees 11.79.000, rupees 11,79,000, being GST, rupees 5.89.50 and SGST rupees 5.89.500 with effect from the August 2017 to October 2020 under section 74 GST Act 2017. I order the said notice, that is the owners of the MS Reverend Zairema Building, Zarkot, Aizol, Mizoram, to deposit the applications in the applicable interest 18% in terms of the provisions of the section 50 of Central Goods and Service Taxes Act 2017. I impose a penalty of rupees 11,79,000 under section 74(1) of the CGST Act. However, the party is given option to pay 50% of only imposed penalty within 30 days of the issuance of this order under section 74(1) of the CGST Act of 2017, Lordship. So this is the main our grievance, Lordship. We have already given this para 3, they have already received the.
Then what remains?
Remaining, that means, Lordship, they say that you have not paid within the stipulated period. That as per the Act, Lordship, no stipulated period is fixed here.
As the party has already deposited the tax along with interest payable to the tune of rupees so and so.
Yes.
Only I order appropriation of said deposit amount. So what remains then?
The remaining.
You have already paid.
We have already paid, Lordship.
Okay,
but still they have imposed penalty, Lordship.
Where is the penalty?
The penalty is, Lordship, I impose penalty. This is, Lordship. This 3, that is all the para 3, 3, 4 sub para 3. That they have imposed penalty, Lordship.
This was paid or not? This penalty?
Penalty we have not yet paid.
Not yet paid.
Not yet paid. But the tax we have already paid 11,79,000 for the period of.
So this was passed on? When this was passed?
6/7/2021, Lordship. 6/7/20. That is the impinge order, Lordship.
So, but then. But you are liable for imposing a fine as per this because he did not pay on time.
Before this, Lordship, we have already cleared all the dues.
You were given option.
Yes, we have given option, Lordship. This rental, whatever our return, annual return.
Okay. So, yes, state who represent? Can we?
Yes, Your Lordship, I'm representing the state, and Your Lordship, we are the pro forma respondent out here.
Will
The
issue notice
CGC is
or
here.
what?
The CGC is here.
At this stage, let notice be issued.
Okay. Hard, Mr.
A.K. Rokum.
A.K. Rockham, Land Council for the petitioner. Also had. Who else? You for?
For the state.
For the state, huh? For the state,
respondent
okay.
Number 4 to 6.
Okay, for the state?
Respondent number 1.
Okay, Miss, I forgot the name.
Zairem Sangpui.
Yes, for the state respondent number 1. And who, what about this other respondent 2, 3?
Respondent because
Who is for GST? CGST Ajol. 2 and 3, who represent?
My Lord, the Commissioner Essential Good Service Tax.
In my humble opinion, Your Lordship, at this stage, no one is appeared on behalf of respondent number 2 and 3.
Okay, then and Miss, her name, Miss Jaram Sangpui, Lanet CGC. CGC for respondent number?
1.
Okay, her name then is for respondent number 1, and then for
the state,
then her name earlier the state, that is the state respondent number 4.
4 to 6.
4 to 6, huh? Okay. Correct. By filing this application under Article 226 of the Constitution of India, the petitioner seeks direction to quash and set aside the impugned penalty order dated 6/7/2021. And attachment of saving account number. Saving account was attached.
Your saving account of the petitioner, Lordship.
Okay. Number 102767922202 within bracket IFSC dash SBIN 0004809 bracket close dated 27/2/2025. Issued by, who issued this one? The respondent number?
Respondent number 3, Lordship.
Respondent number 2. Okay, stop, para. Issue notice. Returnable by 4 weeks. Stop since Ms. Jarampur, Dana CJC, appear and accepted notice on behalf of the respondent number 1 and Ms. her name, for the pro forma respondent number 3, 4, and 5. Sorry, 4, 5, and 6. No formal notice need be issued to the said respondent. Stop. The petitioner shall take steps upon the respondent number 2 and 3 by a speed post with AD as well as by usual process within a week from today. Stop. List this matter after 4 weeks.
Lordship, also by Dusty service also be allowed for respondent number.
Dusty at the first instance. Upon the respondent number 2 and 3.
Yes, Lordship.
Okay.
They are all situated in Aizawl town.
Okay, then in that case, then after that, weeks, Dusty. Only Dusty or register this speed post also?
A speed post, not necessary, Lordship. May not be.
Okay. As requested. The
Lordship, at interim, if the
steps by
penalty
Dusty
order
is
is
allowed and
suspend.
affidavit after affidavit thereof. Okay.
Lordship, we pray at interim if the
The interim prayer shall be considered on the next date. Okay. Next returnable date. Okay.
oblige, Lordship.
Item number 3.
May it please your Lordship, this matter pertains to the refusal to process the bill of the petitioner for the supply and installation of 3 air conditioners at the VIP room of Lengpui Airport. The facts of the case is that the petitioner was directed to install 3 air conditioners at the VIP room of Lengpui Airport urgently, as the previous air conditioners which were lying in the VIP room were damaged. And the petitioner, upon a request made by the respondents, had immediately supplied and installed 3 air conditioners on 12/9/2024. And thereafter, the respondents have been utilizing the said air conditioners since 12/9/2024. However, when the petitioner forwarded his bill, a white letter dated 17/7/2025, which is at page 9, my lord. The bill is amounting to 4,50,000. And when the bill was forwarded by the petitioner, the respondent had rejected his claim on the basis, on the sole ground that work order was not given to him. And the petitioner had also served a legal notice to the respondent and also had made a request to retrieve the air conditioners if the bill is not to be paid. But all such claims were rejected by the respondents. So the petitioner is before this court.
So you said that when your bill was rejected,
yes, my lord,
you also made request.
Yes, the petitioner had approached the
to
authorities.
give back.
Yes, to give back the SE.
It was not allowed.
It was not allowed.
Then what is your grievance now?
My grievance is
You want to take back?
pay the bill.
You want to take back?
No, now I want the bill because they have been utilizing the SC since 12/9/2024. Now it's almost 2 years, my lord. So I want the bill at this stage.
But then it was at your own will.
Pardon?
Who
No,
asked
no.
you? Who told you?
They've made a request for the supply and installation, because I cannot directly install the AC in the VIP room. I cannot even gain access to the VIP room unless permitted by the respondents. Upon their request, I have installed and supplied 3 ACs.
You were not authorized.
No, I was authorized, my lord. Under what? If I'm not authorized, then how will I be able to install 3 ACs in the VIP room?
You probably had made request.
No. Your lordship is very well aware that the VIP room is a very restricted area. So now I want my bill,
Okay.
my lord.
So, what do we do? then?
Let notice be issued, my lord.
How it will help you? Because it was, say, no work order was issued.
Work order.
How legally it can be paid?
Yes. Work order is not deemed to be necessary, my lord, because it's only for supply of 3 ACs.
Maybe.
It's upon their request.
Even if it is one AC also, without
Yes.
work order, how can it be possible? So you are not ready to take it back?
I want my bill first, but if not possible, then I might as well take the SC, my lord. Because it's been utilized by them for almost 2 years, since 12/9/2024. 25/26. Now it's 26 March, my lord.
Who represents the respondent?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Okay,
I'm
what do we
representing-
do?
Your Lordship, I'll have to seek instructions at this stage, depending on what the stance of the department.
Because the AC was installed,
Yes, Your Lordship.
it is still there, you are utilizing.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Okay, then why don't you pay?
Your Lordship, I'll have to seek instructions on that
So,
regard.
can we then give direction? Examine, and if he is entitled,
Yes, Your Lordship.
pay. Or
Yes, Your
if
Lordship.
he is ready to take back, he can also take back.
That liberty
You are not
can be
ready
given.
now.
So, my lord, let notice be issued at this stage. my
Notice
lord.
only, okay.
Yes.
Okay, heard Mr.
Zoram Sana.
Joram Chana, Land Counsel for the petitioner. I've also heard Miss
Lalulu, Your Lordship.
Learned Government Advocate for the state respondent. Okay, all respondent, all.
Yes, Your Lordship. 1, 2, 3.
All the state respondent number 1, 2, 3. Stop, huh? The petition, by filing this application under Article 226 of the Constitution of India, the petitioner is seeking direction for payment of his bill for the supply and installation of 3 air conditioners at the VIP room of Lengpui Airport. Stop. Para. It is submitted that on a verbal direction of the authorities, the petitioner has installed 3 air conditioners at the VIP room of Lengpui Airport. Stop. The respondents are utilizing the air conditioners till date. However, when the petitioner submitted bill, it was rejected due to non-issuance of work order. Stop. After rejection of his bill, the petitioner also made a request to retrieve the said air conditioners, but the same was also rejected by the respondent. Stop. Where issue notice? Oh, miss. Yeah, okay. Notice need to be issued.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Okay, issue notice. Since Miss So-and-so, then government advocate appear and accept the notice on behalf of all the state respondents, no formal notice need be issued. The formal notice is waived. Stop. List this matter. You file. Okay, you obtain instruction.
Yes,
no?
Your Lordship.
Okay. List this matter after 2 weeks.
Yes, my lord.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Obliged, my lord.
Item number 4.
Your Lordship, today I have filed the show cause reply affidavit on behalf of the respondents. I have served a copy to my learned friend.
You have today?
Yes, today.
You filed?
Yes, just half an hour.
Okay. Hard, Mr. Unity Aju, Land Counsel for the petitioner. Okay. Mrs. Mary Lal Kim Kangte, Land Counsel appearing on behalf of the respondent number 1 to 5. Mr. She has filed affidavit in opposition.
Show cause reply affidavit. Your
So called reply in affidavit today itself. However, the same is not on record. Okay. The registry. Okay. List is. Have you received the copy?
I have received, my lord. We
Okay.
can have it after 3 weeks, my lord. In the meantime, I'll examine it and
Okay.
I may be granted liberty to
Mr.
file reply if
Mr.
advised.
Land Counsel for the petitioner, submitted. He has received the copy of the. This is called affidavit in.
Show cause reply affidavit in
Okay.
the contempt case.
So called reply affidavit today itself, and therefore he requires some time to go through the same and to file rejoinder if necessary. Okay. Let's pray for come at least this matter after 3 weeks.
3 weeks.
Okay.
Deeply obliged.
Item number 5.
What is this IA for?
My lord, by way of this IA, we have sought for an implement to be implemented as a respondent number 12 in the connected WPC number 128 of 2025. As we are interested party in the writ petition, my lord, filed by the respondent number 1.
May I please, Your Lordship? My Lord, my senior, Mr. Benjamin Letlamwana, is indisposed. I have taken the consent of the counsel for the applicant, so I pray for the matter may be kindly fixed on the 17th or 18th of this month.
Implement petition application is filed by you.
filed by me, because my lord,
They have filed objection. Have you filed objection?
We
You have
haven't-
any objection?
We will make an objection, Your
they have
Lord.
already filed, my lord. It's
Already filed?
Yes.
Okay, then seeking adjournment.
They're seeking adjournment because his senior is unavailable.
Okay. Mr.
Ronald Choza.
Okay, Lanark Council. Appearing on behalf of, no,
Mr.
Lanark
Benjamin
Council submits that his senior. Who is your senior?
Benjamin Lashamwana.
Hmm?
Benjamin
Benjamin.
Lashamwana.
Okay.
My lord.
Benjamin. Benjamin name is there?
My lord, for respondent number 1 in the
Respondent
IA.
number 1.
Yes, my lord.
My lord, if it can come up on the 24th of
Lanark
this month.
Council for the respondent number 1 is indisposed of, therefore, indisposed, therefore, he prays for adjournment of the matter for the day, to which the Lanark Council for the applicant has no objection. Accordingly, the prayer is allowed. As requested, list this matter on when?
24th of this month.
24th.
Yes, my lord.
24th of March.
March, my lord.
Okay.
Obliged, my lord.
Item number 6.
May it please your lordship. My lord, in this matter, we have already filed that is a implement of the informant as respondent number 2.
Informant?
As respondent number 2.
Okay.
And I pray your lordship that let notice be issued to
Okay.
respondent number 2 at this stage.
Okay. Mr.
PC Lalthamoya.
PC Lalthangmaya, Lanark Council for the petitioner. Also had Mrs. Mary Lanark, additional PP for the state staff. Para. This is an application file under section 483 BNSS 2023. Praying for release of the accused. Petitioner, release of the accused petitioner. Yep, okay, then the accused is the petitioner himself. Accused himself is the petitioner.
Yes, my lord.
Okay. Okay, this is a bail application. This is bail application file under section 483 BNSS 2023. Praying for his filed by the petitioner, accused petitioner, under section 483 BNSS 2023. Praying for his release on bail in connection with criminal trial SC number 124 stroke 2025 under section 10 stroke 12 POCSO Act, arising out of AWPS case number 58 stroke 2025 under section 10 stroke 12 POCSO Act. Stop, para. Issue notice. Call for the, since the case is
On the trial, my lord.
under trial.
Yes, my lord.
Okay, what stage it is?
Evidence 27.3
Okay.
is the examination of the victim.
Okay. So your bail was rejected earlier by the trial court?
Yes, my lord.
Okay. Call for the trial court, scan copy of the trial court record. Stop, Since Mrs. Mary appears on behalf of the state respondent, no formal notice need be issued. Stop, The petitioner shall take steps upon the respondent number, the respondent number
2, Your
2
Lordship.
by a speed post. Oh, sorry, it is through?
Yes,
How do it go?
registered AD.
Hmm?
Registered AD.
Register ready only?
Yes.
Not through PP?
No, Your Lordship.
Okay. Register ID is not there, I think. Speed post only nowadays.
Mm.
Okay, by a speed post as well as by usual process within 3 days from today. Okay, stop. At least this matter.
As and when they, 1 week, 2 weeks, Your Lordship.
Okay, list this matter after 2 weeks.
Your Lordship,
Okay, the matter is fixed on 18, you said. When?
27-3.
27-3. Then it should be only after 27-3, I think. It should be listed only after 27-3. Then it will be after 3 weeks.
No. My lord, 17-3.
17?
Yeah, 17-3 is the next command.
Okay, then after 2 weeks. Okay, listed after
Your
2 weeks.
Lordship, the learned counsel for the petitioner be directed to correct the cost title.
Great.
To make the correct, to submit a correct cost title.
Okay.
Because they
Have you
made
filed?
it- They have.
Okay, this is one. Okay. Then. Okay.
In the main,
Okay, this IA, in IA then. Hard Mr. Huh? Learned counsel for the petitioner. So, by this application under section, by filing this application under section 483 within bracket 2 stroke 528 BNSS 2023, the applicant seek implement of the informant Srimati Lalchanemi as respondent number 2 in the connected bail application, that is bail application number 9/2026. Stop. Huh? The prayer is allowed. Let Srimati so and so be implemented as respondent number 2 in the bail application number 9/2026. Stop. With the above this, IS stands allowed and dispose of. Stop. Then in the beginning of the order, in view of the order passed today in IA criminal number 17 of 2026, the miss name is implemented as respondent number 2.
Let's continue.
In this bail application. Stop. The petitioner shall it will be a registry or the petitioner?
Your Lordship,
Registry,
it's
the registry.
It's the petitioner who have to take steps upon the informant.
Just a minute.
But it
Okay,
is
the
for the
petitioner shall.
yes.
The petitioner shall amend the post title. By inserting the name of the respondent number, name of so and so as respondent number 2. Stop. It is, the page is to be changed.
Yes, they used to submit the fresh cost title and served, make the
Okay.
correction before the, in the court copy as well as the copy
Then
given to.
then after that
prosecutor.
only the notice need to be issued.
Notice can be issued at this stage
Can be
also,
issued.
Your Lordship, yes.
Okay.
Notice be issued at this stage, and meanwhile, the learned counsel for the petitioner be directed to submit a corrected cost title or amended
Okay,
cost
okay.
title.
So, amend the course title, you have written, no? Okay. Then it's fine only.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Whether the registry also need to be directed to do
No,
the
Your
needful?
Lordship, it
Not
is for the
required.
petitioner to
They
take
will
the
just
steps.
file the one page.
Yes.
Okay, and then they will do
Yes.
the needful. Okay, then it's fine.
Deeply obliged.
Obliged.
Item number 7.
May please, Your Lordship.
Yes.
My Lord, TCR has arrived, so if paper book may be prepared on our expense.
Record you have received. Okay. Mr.
Eldrin Zoltan Moya.
Eldrin
Zoltan Moya.
Jodhan Mawaya, Land Council for the appellant. Also heard Mr.
Jonathan Larin Tuama for the respondent number 1, Your Lordship.
Okay. Mr. Jonathan Larin Tualonga. Rint Luanga, Land Council for the respondent number 1. And Miss
Lalnun Louis for respondent
R.
number 228. Your Lordship. Lalnun Louis for respondent number 228.
Land Council for the land government is okay for the state respondent number 1 to
Your Lordship, 228. 228. One is a private
Oh,
respondent.
sorry,
Your Lordship.
2 and 3, huh? Stop,
No.
para.
No, 2 to 8, Lordship, 2 to 8.
2 to 8?
Yes.
Okay, 2 to 8, huh? Okay, stop. Huh? The trial court record has been received. Since the trial court has been received, the registry is directed to prepare paper book. Registry?
Yes, Lordship.
It will be at the cost of the appellant?
Yes, Your Lordship.
At the cost of the appellant. Okay. List his matter for hearing after preparing the paper book and serving a copy to the land council appearing on behalf of the respective parties. Okay. Okay.
Deeply obliged.